Good morning, everybody. I am here off of Sand Mine Road, which is off 169, aka North Shore Road. After my little hike the other day, it was 4 days ago, after my little hike at the Redstone Dune Trails, I continued my way up North Shore Road until I got to my campsite, where I pretty much just kind of hung out and relaxed and got myself something to eat and watched a really nice sunset and, called it a day. My second day here, I was holed up the entire time in the van. It was extremely windy out. It was a cold wind. And every time I stepped out of my van to even think about doing anything, it was like, nope, turn around. So then my third day, which was yesterday, the wind finally did disperse and kind of calmed down, and it warmed up a little bit, and decided I would go out and do some rock hunting. Where I'm camped out, it's just a field of rocks everywhere. But, I kind of walked around and checked out the area, and spent the rest of the day relaxing then as well. Today I went into town. I went to go get some muriatic acid and a bucket and some rubber gloves. And today I thought I was going to go ahead and take care of some of the rocks that I was collecting. A lot of the rocks that I did find at some of the other locations had quite a bit of, crystal points and clusters and things like that. And I've never done any of this before, so I'm going to kind of walk through the process of what I'm doing, and it's all going to be a learning experience for me as well. So I'll walk through the process as I go, and within the next couple days or so, hopefully we'll have something good to look at. But I'm going to go ahead and take a look at some of my rocks. I got a whole bin of them. Okay, so I'm away from my van. I'm probably about 40 feet, 50 feet away. I'm doing this away from my van just because there are fumes that come off that I don't want coming up into my window. Basically, all I did was go out and get a plastic bucket. I was at Ace Hardware. That's where I went to get the acid and the bucket to do this, as well as rubber gloves, safety equipment. So what I got here is a muriatic acid, and this is a 31.45 hydrochloric acid that I'm going to be diluting in this bucket with water. So I'm going to do a 2-part water and a 1 part of the muriatic acid. Mix that up real good, and then drop these stones in there, and basically it takes a little bit of time. I was just going to wait around for a couple days and see what happens to it, if anything happens at all, if it's, hopefully something good comes out of this. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. So we definitely got a reaction. There's already a reaction. Rocks are starting to bubble. It's starting to have its effect. So we'll check back in a couple days and see if anything has changed. Yeah, there you have it. After 2 days of being in there, that was the one piece. These two pieces here did break apart. You can see the crystal cluster down at the bottom on that one. And then there was the whole plate that was just small crystals. It's all kind of just flaking apart. Some of the crystals have fallen off. So I was gonna do a hand clean on the rest of it. Maybe give it like one more final soak in the acid bath, and but yeah, it's pretty good plates in there. And then some of these ones had some nice clusters in there, but like I suspected, it wasn't going to be anything spectacular. But there is some good bundles in here, like that piece. It just needs to get cleaned up more. Got 2 days worth of an acid wash and get some nice crystal clusters out of these, and maybe down the road I'll find something even better that I can really work on. But yeah, that's what I got. I'm gonna throw some of those back in there, and then I gotta come up with the process of neutralizing the acid. But anyway, we will talk later.